talk about playoffs? Let's not get ahead of ourselves here, and let's talk about week one. Team Show Me Some TDs, also known as Team I Have a Whispering Eye for the next week, that is, had a strong performance out of beast mode on Thursday Night Football. It was so strong, I had to hear about it for 63 hours straight. Although I was confident I would still get the victory, I would be lying if I didn't admit I was worried, especially being down 113-65 before Sunday Night Football. It was a very important lesson for not only Team I Have a Whispering Eye, but for the rest of the Eastern Shore Football League. I am the league champion for a reason, and I believe I have built another strong unit to get another championship. After strong performances from Matthews, Julius, and AJ, and average play from my so-called scrub running backs, Chris and Steven, I was able to put that loudmouth I Have a Whispering Eye down. Now that week one is complete, and I find myself being 1-0, let's have a preview of this week's matchup with Team Trayvon Deserved It. Although Team Trayvon Deserved It has strong play at quarterback, tight end, and defense, I am extremely confident that Whispering Eye's unit will come out with a commanding victory, and one step closer in defending my title and bringing another championship to the Whispering Eye trophy case.